In this video, I'm going to show you how you can weave a square basket using this frame. I am using 5mm braided macrame cord that I cut 600 inches or 50 feet. Fold it in half like this, and then we are going to start at the other end. Okay, this is the center here. So you just pick one spot. I like to start with the corner, and you just place the cord here. Then twist it and place it around the next one. Twist it, place it around the next one. And you are going to repeat this process over and over. Your cord will start to tangle up a little bit. Just use your fingers to kind of straighten it out and continue going. Okay, and then I'm going to just go right over that first one, and you can start to push all of your cord down. So you don't want to pull on everything really hard, but you want to make sure everything has the same tension. So just use your fingers to slide everything down. And then I'm just going to continue this all the way around. And you just keep doing this over and over until you get to the top. I might switch it up just a little bit to show you a little bit of a different pattern after I do a few more rounds. Okay, so I just completed round 12. You can continue doing this exact same thing, or I'm going to change it just a little bit. I am going to do my last twist on this corner. This is where I started. And the one that's on the inside, I'm going to just place inside of the basket, just to get it out of the way. And then for the final one, I'm going to leave this exposed. So I'm just going to go around it like this. And I'm doing this because I think these colors are really pretty together, and I like the way that it looks. So you want both pieces to end on the inside like this. I'm gonna go ahead and trim these a bit. And then get a plastic darning needle. And I'm very carefully going to weave this to the bottom, or just at least down a few. So I'm going to go right here on this spot and try not to catch onto the cord. So you might have to just do a couple at a time. So here's this one. I'm just gonna pull it down. So I have it going through 3, and I think that's going to be enough. If you want to do more, you can, but it is kind of hard because the needle has to fit down a little bit more. So I'm going to leave it like that and do the same thing to this one here. And then if you want to add some glue after, you can. So basically I'm just going to take my needle and feed it through this side right here. So this is where it's at, and then I am just going to pull this through. So you want to make sure that you are not bending these at all. Mine actually cut a little bit of the cord, but it's fine. It's no big deal. It's not going to show. So that is in. I'll take the needle off. And then before I trim this, I just want to make sure I'm pulling these down tight. Look at the outside. See if I need to make any adjustments. I'm just going to put this piece up like that. And then pull them down. Okay, now I'm going to get my scissors and just very carefully cut really close. And then just go around the basket and slide everything down. And so if you decide to do it like this, or either way you do it, if you want to cover the tops because you don't want them exposed, so even if you do it this way, you can get like some kind of pretty lace or fabric or something and hot glue it around. I like the way that it looks exposed like this, but that is it. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.